Hey everyone, passwords can be guessed, reused, stolen in data breaches, and entered into fake websites. Passkeys are designed to solve many of these problems, and you can set one up on Windows 11 in just a few steps. In today's quick tutorial, I'll explain what passkeys are, prepare Windows Hello, and show you how to create a passkey for your online account. Let's jump right in. Before creating a passkey, make sure Windows Hello is ready. Open the Start menu, select Settings, and then choose Accounts. Next, select Sign. In Options, here, you may see options for a Windows Hello PIN, fingerprint recognition, or facial recognition. You need at least one of these options, because Windows uses it to confirm that you're the person signing in. If you already have a Windows Hello PIN, you're ready to continue. If you don't select PIN, choose Setup and follow the instructions on screen. Use a PIN that is different from the passwords you use for your online accounts. Your PIN helps protect this Windows device. It is not the same thing as your Microsoft account password. Now, open the official website for the account where you want to create a passkey. You can use a Microsoft, Google, Amazon, or another supported account. A quick warning: type the website address yourself, or open the official app. Don't create a passkey from a suspicious email or text message. Once you're signed in, open your account's security settings. The menu may be called Sign In, Login, and Security, or simply Passkeys. Look for an option such as Create a Passkey or Add a Passkey. Select it. When Windows asks where you want to save the passkey, choose this Windows device or Windows Hello. You may then see a Windows security window. Confirm your identity using your Windows Hello PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition. And that's it. Your passkey is now connected to your account. Here's what happened behind the scenes. Your Windows device created two digital keys. The private key stays protected on your device. The website receives the public key. Think of it like a lock and a key. The website gets the lock, but your computer keeps the key. Your fingerprint or face is also not sent to the website. Windows uses it only to confirm that you are the person approving the sign. This is what makes passkeys different from passwords. First, passkeys are designed to resist many phishing attacks. If you type a password into a fake website, criminals may capture it, but a passkey is connected to the real website's address. It is not supposed to work on an imitation website with a different domain. Second, passkeys are unique to each account. You don't have one passkey that you reuse everywhere. That removes one of the biggest problems with passwords. And third, your private key is not sent to the website during every login. That means there is no traditional password sitting on the server waiting to be stolen in the same way. So, passkeys are not just easier, they change how the sign-in process works. To manage passkeys saved on your Windows 11 computer, open Settings, select Accounts, and then choose Passkeys. Depending on your version of Windows, the wording or location may look slightly different. Here, you can review passkeys saved on the device and remove one if necessary. Be careful before deleting a passkey. Make sure you have another way to access the account, such as a second passkey, a recovery method, or a strong unique password. Also keep Windows updated. Protect your Microsoft account with two-step verification, and never approve a Windows Hello request that you didn't start yourself. So, are passkeys safer than passwords? For most people, yes. They're harder to steal through phishing, unique to each account, and protected on your device. If an account doesn't support passkeys yet, use a strong, unique password and turn on two-step verification. Would you use a passkey on Windows 11? Or do you still prefer traditional passwords? Drop your questions in the comments. Before you go, watch delete these 5 browser extensions now. They're spying on. You're to find out which browser extensions could be putting your privacy at risk. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick privacy and security tips. Let's take your privacy back.